Hi friends, welcome back to Olive's vlog. Today we are in Seagalli near Kerpuram. Today we are going to see a house which is for sale. It has ground floor plus 3 floors. In ground floor we have 1 BHK plus car parking. In first floor we have 2 BHK house. Second floor and third floor we have total 4 houses. 2 BHK house, 1 BHK house. This is the parking area. The size of the plot is 27 into 40, 1080 square feet. The entrance wall covered with tile. South facing side, east facing door. It's Bikata property. Here we have one borewell and Kaveri water facility also. This is the 1 BHK unit. Let's move on to the first floor. First floor we have 2 BHK house. The full details given below in the description. Please read it and watch the full video. And subscribe the channel, click the bell icon so you can get the notification for the new updation. Here also entrance wall covered with tile. This is the main door, teakwood main door. This is the living area. All floorings are granite flooring. Here we have POP false ceiling with LED light. TV unit also provided. Here we have wooden partition. Here we have puja unit. This is the dining area. This is the kitchen, modular kitchen. Here we have a lot of storage. The final works are going on. Here we have hand wash area. This is the first bedroom with attached bathroom. Here also we have POP false ceiling. Cupboard facility and dressing unit also provided. This bedroom we have balcony also. SS hand railings also provided. Wall covered with tile. Here we have attached bathroom. This is the common bathroom. This is the second bedroom. Here also we have POP false ceiling. Cupboard facility and dressing unit also provided. For more information, please contact us. The contact details also given below in the description. Let's move on to the second floor. Second floor we have one BHK house and one 2 BHK house. This is the 2 BHK unit. This is the 1 BHK unit. The final works are going on. Third floor also we have one 2 BHK and one 1 BHK. Here also we have one 2 BHK and 1 BHK house. Good main door. Let's move on to the terrace. The full details given below in the description. Please read it. For more information, please contact us. The contact details also given below in the description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so you can get the notification for the new updation. Thank you.